machine gun wall Christmas, man.
Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
In my mind, I want you to be free.
I want you and Sasquatch. Smell my goose, you got the best ways. It's no damn Christmas in my damn house.
God damn it, Baz.
Man, that's a bad Haitian. These niggas must be Haitian. They got TV.
That man's making that much noise in my house. Don't even put bills in my damn house. You paid? That's what? Who are you?
I'm talking about where the hell the button click is at.
What? What the hell you talking about? Get fucked!
I want two suckers deal and some suspect deal. Hey,
Merry Christmas. The next time you wanna come, do the bun and pigs and pre-fizzy.
Man, what? Me, my foot dummy. My dummy, what foot them in? What? 911? What happened? What the hell happened to my house? What happened, man?
What happened? What you fucking look at me?
What happened?
You got look at me. You see somebody? You don't wake up.